Casting of Class 6, we welcome you all in RDS News channel. Let's see some top news headlines of this week. Starting with some of the CBSE news. CBSE reopens LOC portal for Class 10th and 12th board exams 2026 with late fee. Some of the school news. Half-yearly examination at Raj English School have been finished. Now, some national news. Madhya Pradesh doctor who prescribed cough syrup detained after 11 children died. 7 killed in landslide in Darjeeling, rescue operations underway. Some of the international news. Heavy rains kill at least 22 in Nepal, block roads. Israel PM Benjamin Netanyahu hopes to announce the release of all hostages from Gaza in coming days. Some of education news. How Indore schools carry forward Gandhi's vision of Swachhata. IIT Madras launches National Employability Benchmark Initiative NIPTA to standardize internship and job readiness across India. Some of the entertainment news. Clevetta's series review a brutal anthropological meditation that bites. Column screen tributes to Alice and Lewis Carroll's World 160 Years On. Some of the sports news. USA rout India 5 in checkmate event. Mbappe scores that glimpse of Real Madrid beats Villarreal to top La Liga. Now, some of other news. India-US relationship amid efforts to repair ties. PM Modi again hails Donald Trump's Gaza move. Supreme Court to hear Wanchak's wife's plea on October 6. Now some of the Scout Guide news. The International Day of Non-Violence, the Hooghly District Association of West Bengal State. Thank you, and let's meet after a short break. Now let's see these news headlines in details. Starting with some of the CBSE news. The Central Board of Secondary Education (CBSE) has reopened list of candidates LOC submission portal for its affiliated schools to finalize entries for 2026 board examinations for class 10th and 12th. Now, some of the school news. The half-yearly exams at Raj English School have concluded and the parents-teacher meeting is scheduled for October 12th. The classes will resume on October 4th. This break allows the student to relax and prepare for the second half of the academic year. The PTM will provide an opportunity for parents to discuss their child's progress with teachers. Now, some of the national news. A doctor who allegedly prescribed the cough syrup linked with the death of at least 11 children in the Madhya Pradesh's Chhindwara district has been detained for questioning. A senior police officer said an FIR has been filed against the doctor. At least 7 people were killed in a major landslide triggered by instant rainfall in the Darjeeling subdivision of West Bengal on Saturday, October 4, 2025. Officials say. Some of the international news. Heavy rains triggered landslide and flash flood blocking roads, washing away bridges and killed at least 22 people in the last 36 hours in Nepal. Officials said on Sunday. Israel Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu said he hopes to announce the release of all hostages from Gaza in the coming days, as Israel and Hamas prepare for indirect talks in Egypt on Monday, October 6, 2025, on a new US plan to end to the war. Some of the education news. Gandhi Jayanti as the nation revisits Mahatma Gandhi's vision of a clean India. Indore stands tall with its reputation as the country's cleanest city for 7 consecutive years. Now, the Indian Institute of Technology Madras, IIT Madras, through the IIT Madras Shastra magazine, has launched an initiative to equip engineering and diploma students across India with a curated training program followed by standardized benchmark for their employability. Some of the international entertainment news. The first thing Clevetta's does is it killed its hero. 13 champions brutally dispatched before the story has even begun. If that weren't enough, the titular Demon King rages on entire kingdom for this slide. On September 2025, Netflix released the third and final season of its popular Japanese sci-fi thriller series Alice in Borderland. Some of the sports news. Hikaru Nakamaru stunned world champion D. Kukesh as India were whitewashed 0 -5 by USA in the first checkmate, and an evening of chess presented as a live arena spectacle in Arlington, USA. Vinicius Jr. struck twice and Kylian Mbappe scored before going off injured as Real Madrid beat third place Villarreal 3-1 to move on top of La Liga. Now some other news. As Hamas agrees party to US Gaza peace plan, PM Narendra Modi again welcomed President Donald Trump's leadership in reaching that agreement, saying peace efforts in Gaza were making decisive programs. The Supreme Court is scheduled to hear on October 6 as habeas corpus petition filed by climate activist Sonam Wangchuk's wife Dr. Gitanjali J. Angmo against the preventive detention of her husband under the National Security Act NSA 1980 following violent latest protest on September 24 in Leh. Now last but not the least, some of the Scout Guide news. The Hooghly District Association of West Bengal State Bharat Scouts and Guide observed the day on 2nd October 2025 with an all-faiths prayer meeting at Chinsura Maidan, East Hooghly. Thank you and stay connected with RGS News.